3M Speedglas Welding Helmet. 9100-06-0100 30SW. With ADF 9100XX. The Speedglas 9100XX with side windows. Shades 8 to 13. Sensitivity adjustment allows use with all stick, MIG and TIG processes. Also has grinding and torch modes. New headgear makes this helmet extremely comfortable and versatile. Viewing area 12.11 square in. 2.8 by 4.2 inches viewing area. New comfortable headgear. Sensitivity adjustment. That allows use with all stick, MIG and TIG welding processes, with grinding and torch modes. Side windows increase peripheral vision by over 100%. One helmet works for 3 types of welding. This fully assembled welding helmet, with auto darkening filter, offers sensitivity adjustments for use with most stick, MIG and TIG welding applications. The welding helmet uses an auto darkening filter that can be adjusted for different shades based on the welding amperage. Specifications for this item.